Do you see it? Do you see it? Super foggy. Very foggy. I'm heading to an estate sale kind of far away because there's nothing else going on today, so we'll see if I can find anything. He said everything's half off today, so ooh, that looks like sterling. Silver plated. Let's see what we can find. $2 today. Take that. Erector set. Okay. This old shoe repair sign was cool, but I left it. Alright, so I just got back from that estate sale. Drove pretty far, grabbed a few things. It was alright. Things in the garage were totally overpriced. And the inside the house was half off. So everything I grabbed here ended up being half off. A few cool pieces, okay? So this, somehow she snuck this in there at the end. I didn't want that. So I ended up paying for something that I didn't want. Maybe it was near my pile, but that's garbage. But I did find this in the house, and it's got an English, oh, come on, focus. It's got an English sterling hallmark. I don't know what that is used for. It's kind of a weird piece, but I can weigh it up and find out. But I spent $2.50 on that. It's actually decent, got a decent weight to it. This was really neat. The cross goes on there. Unfortunately, it's broken. It's like a crazy woven, and it's definitely going to be sterling, but there's no marks on it. But I need to look that up because the cross part is broken. It's super tarnished, but it's neat. And without the cross, I still got the bracelet, the necklace, and definitely going to be sterling, woven sterling maybe. That's what I think. I'll have to look that up. Got this. Beautiful. And there's no mark on the back of this, but I just grabbed it because it was a couple bucks, and the chain is sterling. You know, somewhat heavy chain. It's just marked Italy, and then on the clasp itself it says 925. You won't be able to see that, but it's actually kind of cool piece of art glass too. Very pretty. Gonna have to look that up as well. These earrings were also $2. Let me see if I can show them to you. Got like a mother of pearl kind of thing, and they're sterling. They're marked on the back, 925. So for $2, that was worth grabbing. They're pretty. This I grabbed because it's gold. I can just tell it's gold. Tiny little bit. I'll test it, but it's just a little piece of gold. It looks like 14 karat probably. I don't remember what I paid for that. Probably not much. This little heart with the flower, it's gonna be sterling. I can't tell what the mark says. But that was just a couple bucks. Okay, now, oh yeah, and then this ring, which is also going to be sterling. I don't know what that symbol represents. The cross, and then the bars there in enamel. So it turns out it's a World War I German Patriots ring, and it's made out of 800 silver. So that's pretty sweet. Kind of a cool ring and a cool piece of history. This piece was really pretty. And it's marked on the back. You probably won't be able to see it, but it's marked, Van Del 1/20th 12 karat gold filled on sterling. So it's a sterling piece, sterling gold filled. Pretty, huh? And it's totally intact from what I can tell. So that's a pretty one. I don't know if I should polish it or leave it like that. I found this, and I'm definitely not going to be able to show you the mark, but this one does say 14 karat. There it is. There's no way. Anyway, it's marked on the 14K. Tiny little piece, so add that to the gold pile. And then this one, beautiful. Let me get it more in the light. I couldn't find a pair, couldn't find its mate, but when I saw it, I said, "Oh, that looks pretty good for." And I don't know, amethyst maybe. And there's a mark on the back, and it had a bunch of ear gunk on it, but you can see it says 14K. Anyway, 14 karat, beautiful stone too. Little piece of gold. You can just tell it's nicely put together. Really nicely made. It's not worn off anywhere. So there was that one. And then finally I found this. Now, I like that the point is going farther out. It's very tarnished. 2 little blue stones and then a little seed pearl, right? So check out the mark here. Come on, hopefully I can show you. Let me zoom, come on, let me zoom. Do you see it? Do you see it? There it is, 14 karat. 14 karat and it's that tarnished? Crazy, huh? Gold can tarnish. It looks almost like brass, it's gold. And I think that means even the pin is going to be gold as well. I guess I'll test that too, but isn't that a beautiful piece? Beautiful. It's got some weight to it. It's not nothing. A total of $50 for everything I have here, which is actually a thought, because I thought all this stuff was coming off the table that was marked $4 and then it was half off. But she said that sign only applied to the earrings. So she wanted 60. Oh yeah, and I got this thing. I don't know. Oh, it says Canada. Okay. So, nah, it's really falling apart. I basically grabbed it to throw my little jewelry pieces in. She wanted 60, and I was like, can we at least do 50? Because, you know, I was thinking it was going to be way less. But hey, $50. I think I did pretty good with the gold already. And the other pieces are just good little sellable pieces of silver and gold filled. I really like that one. It was very nice. I got to look that up. So yeah, worth driving. Oh, and by the way, as far as the gold goes, it's a total of 5 grams. And for the silver, for the silver, it's 16 and a half. So looking at this again, it's marked 14 karat, but I just want to show you guys like that gold can tarnish. My wife looked at it and she was like, what is it, copper? But let me show you after I polish it a little bit how it will look. It'll be a lot more recognizable as gold. So there you go, look at it now. Very nice and yellow, and looks a lot more like gold, right? It would have been a lot easier for someone to spot it if it wasn't tarnished like that. But you can also just tell this mechanism here, my hands are dirty from the polishing cloth, but this mechanism here, let me see, it's nicely made, you know? It's a nice clasp and release. So that's a very pretty piece.